Today, I'm going to show you the laziest way to stream your DJ sets to Twitch, YouTube, Kick, TikTok, your ex's smart TV.
I am like the biggest dork you probably ever met.
All at the same time for free using one plugin inside OBS because I can't be bothered with complicated stuff. But here's the thing. There's one setup mistake almost everyone makes with this, and it'll wreck your stream across every platform. Ask me how I know. I'll show you how to avoid that at the end. I'm Lavonda. Let me show you how to set this up. All right, first things first. Head over to atom.tv, go to products at the top right of the page, scroll down, and download the free Multistream plugin for OBS Studio. Once you install it and restart OBS, you'll see a new dock pop up in OBS. Now here's how this works. OBS still sends out your main stream like normal, but this plugin duplicates that signal and sends it to every platform you add. So instead of managing 3 or 4 separate streams, you're controlling everything from one place. Now the next step, you click Settings icon inside the plugin, go to your main canvas, and start adding outputs. Each output is just a platform. Twitch, YouTube, Kick, whatever you want. And this is where you'll paste your stream keys. I'll show you exactly where to find those next. Now each platform hides your stream key in a different place. For Twitch, go to your creator dashboard, then to settings, then to stream, and copy your stream key. For YouTube, go to YouTube Studio, click create, then go live, and grab your stream key from the back end. And if you're adding more platforms, it's the same idea. Look for stream key or RTMP settings. Now go back into the plugin and paste in the stream keys, and you're basically done. If you want to go live to TikTok, well, that's a little bit more complicated, but Midnight Man has a great video about it, so I'll link it in the description because I've never done it and I don't really want to go live on TikTok. So now you're live everywhere. But here's the problem. Your computer and your internet are now doing double, triple, sometimes 5 times the work. Now we might be lazy, but the plugin's not. Because this plugin isn't sending one stream, it's sending multiple streams at the same time. So if your setup can't handle it, you don't just lag on one platform, you lag everywhere. Or worse, your stream crashes everywhere. So before you go all in on this, you need to make sure your setup can actually handle it. So here's what you need to do. Before you go live, you need to check your upload speed. Go to speedtest.net and run a test. Look at your upload number, that's the one that matters. And now here's the rule. Your upload speed needs to cover all of your streams combined. So if you're streaming to multiple platforms, you're multiplying your bit rate. Editor Lavonda is gonna post the numbers over here or over here, so you can take a screenshot of it if you need. So let's say you stream to 3 platforms at 6,000 bit rate. That's about 18,000 kbps total or 18 mbps upload. So if you want extra headroom, aim for at least 20 to 25 mbps upload. And if you don't have that from your speed test, lower your bit rate or reduce how many platforms you stream to. Because if your upload can't handle it, your streams will suffer. And once you've got multiple streams going at the same time, the real question is, are you actually allowed to be? Because if you're DJing and you don't understand how copyright works, your mixes can get blocked instantly. So go watch this next.